So in this video I'll show you how to make another local disk drive. Like I have two disk drive, the C and the D. Now I need another one. I have a free space 57.6 GB in D drive and free space in C drive 45.5 GB. I think I can make another one from this D drive. So you can also make another disk drive without losing any data from your free space. Let me show you. Just click on the Windows icon, then type here disk manager, and you will get create and format hard disk partitions. Just open it. Okay, after opening this, now suppose I have already created, but I'll show you how you can create it. Just suppose this is the D drive. Actually it's a D drive. Just right click on it and you will see here a shrink volume. Just go on there. Now here you need to type the volume that you want to shrink from D drive. So I have free space in D drive. You can see here it's 57.69. so how much you want to shrink, it's all depend on you. I have for example I need 16 GB, so just type here the 16 GB space. I don't know how much 16 GB space in MB size, so just type here the MB and then click on shrink. After shrink you will get just like this a unallocated disk space is here. Now 16 GB. Just right click on it. After shrinking the volume, just right click on the unallocated space and then click on new simple volume, then click on next, and now simple volume size is here. Just click on simply next and then assign the following drive letter. So just select here the drive letter that you want for your new drive. Select next, and now you can also type here the name local disk or anything. You can just perform here working disk and hit enter and then click on finish. You will get a notification here. If you are not getting, it's okay, just go this PC and you will see here the new partition has been created. Now if still it's not appearing here, then just go back here and find your unallocated disk space or the disk that you just rename with working disk. Just right click on it and change drive letter and path and click on add and just give another assign letter and then click on OK. It should be appear here. I hope you like this video. This video is helpful for you, I hope so. And now please hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question in your mind, you can just comment below. I'll try to solve it for you. I will respond you. Have a good day. Bye bye.